Keep riding till where your eyes can see. Hold on to the handlebars, for there's more to explore. In this world of sayers and nayers and doers and watchers, make your mark, no matter how small it may be. Wake up to new sights and smells and smile at faces unknown. For what some call the road, it is a path that you have chosen to explore. Go forth without fear or doubt of failure, for all it takes is for you to get up and dust that dirt off you and do it all over again. The thrill is in having fun, making mistakes and learning from them. True passion is in keeping the thrill alive and sharing the wisdom with like-minded seekers. Keep this thrill alive in you forever, not just on the road, but in everything you do. Be the hero of your own story. Take the trip. Keep rolling.